So today I'll be teaching is how to copy this. Like right, I've already calculated weights, all those things in kilometer, and I want the steel takeoff. I would like to copy this route in Excel. So how do I do it? Normally, if I'm going to do it, what happens is, just imagine if I'm going to do this, the whole thing is coming into one line, and I don't want that to happen. So what I can do is just go come here, just give Control V, and here there is an option called as so the import wizard. Give it delimited. Next, just keep the space thing. Then next, finish. Now you guys can see this. It is separated. So here the error is happening because of this one, because of the copying thing. So rest will be like this itself. And now imagine if I want to calculate the sum, there's one way is we get this one, 312. The second way is see, I mean, we normally what we do it like this, right? Correct, 312. But I can just go through go through these things and just check it here if I want. Even with this also it is the same thing. Just press the whole thing out from here to here. Then I can check it out. So that is how we can do. Even and there's something that I would like to give you a brief about. Example, if I want to check this height, whether the height, whatever pressed, like whatever I'm seeing, whether the height is right or not. Sometimes it may be crooked or something, then maybe error. So what I can do is come to this side, to this box, copy this out, come to Excel, and just press yes, and this is a height rate 2.4, 2.4, 2.4. So whatever I've done is right. So this is how we can check it out. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.